Hey guys, welcome back to another Not an Expert video. In this one, we're going to do something a little different again. We're not going to do 3D printing, but I'm going to update you guys on the print that I did for Emily. The Deathly Hollows print. Taken 2 days so far. It's at 90%, but I'll show you here in a little bit. And as far as what this video is going to be about, you already know because of the title, but we're going to do a classic wood pallet design, and we're going to make an American flag out of it. What we're going to do, you pull up Pinterest. All right, nothing like this. This is actually finished wood. I don't know why it comes up when you type in pallet, but something like this here. Sort of the same idea, but it's going to be facing the other way, lengthwise, like an actual flag, or like this one here. So, with that being said, hope you guys enjoy. Not gonna have too much work in progress, but we'll see what we can do, and you guys will be able to see the finished product, and I'll post pictures on Instagram. Okay, so now that we're done with the painting, I'm gonna let it dry, and the plan is for Emily tonight to stencil out some stars for the blue part, for the white stars, and she might even finish up painting if it needs it. So by tomorrow we're gonna have a finished flag, and you guys will see the end result. But that was done in about 30 minutes, and again, all I used was this apple barrel acrylic paint from Walmart. It was really cheap, and then the white stuff I used, it's actually primer, flat white primer. So, but it's what I had here, and it was the quickest and easiest way to do this. So I hope you guys enjoy. We'll see you in a bit. Hey guys, I'm back again. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it was kind of short, but it also only took me probably a total of like an hour and a half, 2 hours to finish this project. I wanted to do something quick and easy that you guys would be able to do if you can find a pallet from work, or I know you can buy them cheap online, you know, like marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace, stuff like that, and turn it into something that you can resell. People are selling some of these American flag pallets for like $50 on Etsy, and they're super rustic looking, and they're just cheap, quick, and easy to make. But again, I hope you enjoyed the video. There's not much work in progress. I tried recording on our iPad for the first time because it records in 60 frames per second. So my Canon camera doesn't do that. So I've been trying to avoid using that. The audio, we have issues with that. So I hope it wasn't too weird seeing the mobile view. I'll have to figure out why it's positioned straight up and down the video recording. But I hope regardless that you guys enjoyed the video and you like, comment, subscribe, and share because it does mean a lot. But we'll see what next week has in store. I don't really know yet, but I'll definitely take suggestions from you guys. I hope you guys have a great holiday, and we'll see you next week.